welcome to the Phone Freak, and today we have a two-part unboxing of two great phones for your voice over IP landline, if you still got one of those. First up on the left is the memorably named vtech CS6229-2, which will run you about $40 at Best Buy. Now, it looks like it's got a lot of features, and it does, but one side's actually Spanish, the other is English. On the back here, you got some happy people. They're probably talking to each other, and a feature list of stuff for this little handset. And over here on the right is the contender, the also memorably named vtech LS6217. Also $40 at Best Buy. Also a list of features. A little deceptive on the box here. There's only one handset, but see, the picture makes it look like it's two, but it's really like the back, the front and the back are the same thing. So that'll be in our second unboxing. First, let's focus on this little bad boy. Expandable to 12 handsets. 2 are in the box. Handset's got speakers. It's a digital answering machine with 14 minutes. So let's get right to it. And look at this. Great design. What's the first thing you find? The quick start guide. Remarkable. You don't see that too often. And here's our first handset. Wrapped in plastic. Very nice. Second one, also wrapped in plastic. We're going to end up, I think, with a lot of plastic and a lot of cardboard on this one. Let's see. Just adjust the camera here. And here we go. I mean, look at this cardboard. It's origami. It's just fantastic. How did they do this? It's incredible. Let's see what we can pull out here. Got a cord. And it's our first base. Yes. This looks like the auxiliary base. So what's good about these auxiliary bases is they charge your phone up, but you don't need a phone jack for it. So these are awesome. We put them all over the house. Let's see. Wall mount, so you screw this into the wall and then you can put one of these bases up on the wall, so that's great. What's this? See, here we go. Origami. Just a great little empty box. I'll find some use for this. Let's just take the whole thing out and make a pile out of it. Make sure there's nothing in there. Let's get started. Here we go. Main base. This is the one where you plug your phone jack in. Here's the user's manual. Does anybody still use these? Let's see what's in. Let's just take a peek inside. There's diagrams of your phones, everything that's in here. I end up always losing mine, but then I just find it on the web just by Googling for it, pulling it up. What do we have in this little triangular box? There's just a regular phone cord. That'll come in handy. Save your phone cords. These are always nice. I like them in black too. It's nice. Something inside of this little triangular nudge of a box. Here's probably the electrical cord for the main base. So that's great. And wow, this is small. These are both of them. Look at that. Both of the batteries. Backs to each of these phones. So that's cool. Anything else in here? It's pretty light, I doubt it. Okay, nothing in there. Nothing in there. And let's take a wide shot here. Look at that. Look at all that electronics you get for $40. This is a great deal. 2 handsets, DEC 6.0. This stuff is really interference free. I don't know about you guys, but I need one of these like every couple of years. I don't know what happens to the electronics. Look at this thin handset, and it's not that thin. That's good, it won't overheat. It's not that fat either, so it fits comfortably in the hand. Let's get this plastic out of there. Gorgeous base, look at that nice silver. Let's take a side view of that. Very nice. Oops, sorry about that. grill up there. On the bottom here, the phone jack goes in there, electrical. You got those ridges to wall mount it. Wall mount on the right there. Take a look at the front here. You got on off, volume, your handset locator, keypad for your voicemail. Now you don't really need to listen to your voicemail from the base. You could do it from the phone itself. There's a speakerphone. This is backlit, illuminated keypad. I mean, this thing's just gorgeous. Just missing one thing I'm noticing. You can't plug in a headset on this thing. I mean, you got a speakerphone, but you don't have that little plug for a headset. So I guess that's one minus on there, and a really long list of positives. So that's the main base, and you got your auxiliary base. Let's just plug that in. Just look at both of them side by side. Let's see. Oops, took a plastic on there. Yeah, I told you we ended up with a lot of plastic. Okay, and there they go. Look at them. Gorgeous. This has been the unboxing of the vtech CS6229. A real bargain. Now remember, in part 2, we got coming up the unboxing of the LS6217. So check that out. Now for more details on this unboxing and other products, remember to visit the blog at thephonefreak.com. Hey, thank you very much, and if you like these videos, please subscribe. Thanks a lot.